morning. If this is your morning, good afternoon. If this is your afternoon, good evening or good night. If this is your night, this is the Igbo Tutor Live. We meet here every Saturday by 2 p.m. Nigerian time or 1300 GMT to talk Igbo language, learn Igbo language, educate ourselves, excuse me, in Igbo language, challenge ourselves, to speak Igbo language and learn new things. Here we gather every Igbo learner from all around the world to come and challenge ourselves and learn from each other when it comes to Igbo language. So if you have any interest in learning Igbo language, you've been struggling to learn Igbo language, you are subscribed to one YouTube channel or the other, and you want to challenge yourself and even measure your level of progress, this is where to be every Saturday. So wherever you are married to an Igbo person, you are engaged to an Igbo person, you are born by Igbo parents, but you have difficulty understanding how to speak the language, this is where to be. You are a business partner to Igbo person. You want to flow together, you want to align yourself properly with Igbo person, maybe as a business partner, as a friend, as a co-worker, this is where to be. You have Igbo customers in the market, you want to interact better with them, you need to be here to learn Igbo language. So this is where we are now. Wherever you are, from any part of the world, begin to join us, because in the next 2 minutes, this class will start fully. So begin to join us now from all around the globe. Wherever you are seeing me right now. Hey, don't waste any time, join, so that we can cover enough before the time lapses. So I'm waiting for you. I am the Igbo tutor, Maazi Okafor. This is what we do. We challenge ourselves. We talk Igbo language. You learn Igbo language from the teacher, from your colleague, from co-students who are gathered here. We know each other, we interact, and we sharpen our Igbo speaking skill and knowledge. So you cannot really come to this class and you will not go out better than you were before. You are going to learn new words, you're going to learn new phrases, you're going to learn new sentences, you're going to learn a different approach to the way you speak before. You will learn from the teacher directly, you will learn from your co-students who are gathered here together, you will learn even from yourself, the things you thought you knew before, you relearn them. So let's begin to join up now so that this class will start in earnest. There will. As you join this class, just hit the like button and drop a comment so we can welcome you officially. That is the only way we can mark your register. When you drop a comment, we will pick your name and send you our greetings and call you by your name and welcome you to class. So as you join, please drop your greetings. Let's know you are in class already. I can see someone in the class already. Drop your greeting so that we can know you are the first to come to class today, and we welcome you officially. Let's do that as the class will start any moment from now. If you are still hesitating to join, join now, because joining late means you will lose a greater part of the lesson. And if you have joined already, hold on, don't go out as we wait for others to come on board. And if you are watching this video from my YouTube channel, I encourage you to hold on. Let the class begin proper. Don't be in a hurry to, move out of the class or, stop watching the video. Just wait a little bit. There's a lot to gain from this video. So don't step out. Wait so that the class will start proper. Dominique Ekezie, you're welcome to class. No, you are the first to, come to class today. That's encouraging. So we wait for our colleagues. Let's wait for others to join. Let's give them a little more time, like maybe 2 minutes or thereabout, so we can begin the class. So begin to join now. We don't encourage late coming to class. That is not good enough. So let's keep to our time. So Dominic, you have done very well by joining our class right on time. As you join the class, there are a few things to do. You should not forget the rules. Hit the like button for this live session. Hit the share button, share it out so that it can go out to more people, so they can join the class also and benefit like you are doing. Also, If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, you do that while the class goes on, and then hit the notification bell so that you can get notified when we send out any notice or we share out information or upload new videos to our channel. So these are few things you do as you join the class. I quite appreciate those of you who are in class. You are following the instruction meticulously. God bless you. Chukwu gozie gị. No, na class start. Class will start any moment from now. Please drop your greetings. Let's speak your name. Let's welcome you to class. Those of you who are in class, drop your greetings. Just like Dominic had done, drop your greeting so we can also welcome you to class officially. Say no, ndewo, daalụ no, ekele mu no. Just say something. Just write something. I greet you. If you can't write in Igbo, write in English. Well done. I greet you. Onye nkuzi. Daalụ. No. You can do something, I'm sure. So do that. That way, we can be able to register your presence in the class. So do that as we begin the class now. So it's exactly 3 minutes after 2, which is 3 minutes behind schedule. Please, let's make it 5 minutes so that a little more people can join. More people are joining already. Okay. There we go. As in also, Nake, no, na class. Who else is joining this class now? If you are in the class, drop your greetings. It's important. That is the only way we can know you are in the class. That is the way to mark your register. Drop your greeting. You can't come to class and you not greet your people. This is a forum of Igbo people. So you must show love to your brothers and sisters. Drop a greeting. Say Ndewonu. Say Daalụ. Say Kedunu. Just say something. If you can't write in Igbo, write in English. And as you join, just like those of you who are here are doing, as you are joining the class, hit the like button, hit the share button to share out this live session so that more people can join us. Please subscribe to our channel. If you have not done so, these are little things you can do to show support and appreciation to our effort. And then hit the notification bell. That way, you will not miss any of our updates or new videos or new live notices and the rest of them. I want to check again. We just have 1 minute left to begin the class. So if you have not joined, join now. Now, let's use this 1 minute to review our last lesson. We are doing this series of Igbo verb game, and we've been doing it for about 2 or 3 weeks now, or thereabout, and we've made progress in this line. And as at last Saturday, we stopped at a particular verb. All we do is to pick a verb, analyze it, know the meaning, and then toss it around to use it in different scenarios and in different forms. So we can get grounded fully on the usage of that verb. It will help us to deepen our understanding of the verb and then deepen our knowledge of how to apply it in spoken Igbo language. That's what we are doing. So someone should remind us where we stopped in our live session. The last Igbo verb we considered, what was that? Yes, remind me as you pick up today to move on. What was the last verb we considered? Yeah? I wait for you. Yeah? Master Dominic, so what was the last verb we considered in our last live class, last Saturday? Gịnị ka ọ bụ? Kedu verb ikpeazụ anyị mere? Yes, ana m eche gị. Drop it for us. What was the last verb? We just considered only 2 verbs last Saturday. Only 2, though they are lengthy. So what was that? The last one. Ana m eche gị o. I hope I'm audible enough. I hope I'm audible. If I'm audible, indicates. Okay. Ịgba ọsọ. Okay. Ịgba ọsọ. Yeah. Gba ọsọ was the verb. The parent verb was actually ba. also run a race. That is true. And then we now broke it into its different parts down to abaloso. That was the last one we considered, the opposite of baoso. We said abaloso. That was the last one we considered. So we pick it up from there today and we start right now. The first verb, echemo, no, that is correct. That is correct. Nake, that is correct. Abaloso, baoso, that was the last one. Yeah, baoso. Yeah, and then we ended it with abaloso, the opposite of baoso. That was where we ended the lesson. So the first verb today is bochie. Bochie. Remember our rules. The rule is that when I give the word, you listen to me, you type the word correctly in Igbo language, and then we determine the meaning of the word. Then we begin to break it down and toss it around to use it in different forms. So let's begin. The word is bochie. Bochie. Let me have it written. Oh yeah, let's go. Okay, somebody wrote Bochie. That's not okay, but you tried. Clement Emehe, welcome to class. Ikechukwu, just a guy. Welcome to class. None. Okay, let's move on. The first one we're looking at is Bochie. Okay, Nake has written, but I'm still not in agreement. 2 efforts already. Ikechukwu has written Bochie. Nake wrote Bochie. Okay, good effort. I'm waiting for Dominic. Buchie. I didn't say Buchie. I said Bochie. Bochie, not Buchie. Talking to Dominic now. So, Dominic, correct yourself. I know you can do this. It's Bochie, not Buchie. Bochie. I want to expect Dominic to correct it. Okay, Nake has done the correction. Chinonso has done the correction. That is Bochie. Perfect. That is the word. Clement Emehe is not Bochie. Look at the correct version written by the Nake family. That is Bochie. Bochie. That is the word. Because this session is also to test your knowledge of the sound of the word and the spelling. These are important. Yeah, that is it, Dominic. Correct. Bochie. So that is correct. Clement Emehe. Correct. If you have not hit the like button as you are joining the class, you are not following our instruction and our rules. Hit the like button, hit the share button to share it out, and then move on. Subscribe to our channel if you have not done that. Hit the notification bell while we move on. So what is the meaning of this word, Bochie? Let somebody tell us the meaning. Yes. Who will tell us the meaning? Whoever gets it first will move on. That is the rule we'll be following today. Whoever gets the answer correct, once one person gets it right, others will have to check it that person and move on and update their own books, notebook, and their writing tools. Okay? What is the meaning of the word Bochie in Igbo language? Kedu ihe ọ pụtara n'asụsụ Igbo? Bokwu abụ Bochie. Yes. Ana m eche unu. Ana m eche unu. Ngwa. Let's go. Bochie. Gịnị ka ọ bụ n'asụsụ Igbo? What is the meaning of Bochie in Igbo language? Chikezie Madonna, great. Happy to see you in class today. Yeah, that's a class captain. He had just arrived. No. Okay. So, and the word we are looking at first today is Bochie. Somebody has written this correctly. We are now considering the meaning of the word Bochie in Igbo language. Okay, class captain has done that. And that is prevent or hinder. Prevent. Okay, Nake has also done that already. Nake has written that. Prevent. That's correct. Prevent or hinder. That is correct. For those who are writing, please update your record. Bochie means prevent or hinder. Now let's toss it around. Let's go. Now I start. Prevented is what? Prevented, past tense of prevent. What is that in Igbo language? Prevented, the past tense. Prevented. Yes, if you have not hit the like button as you join the class, you are not a good student. You don't like your teacher. If you like your teacher, you hit the like button. Okay? Okay, McDonald has written, Chikeze has written, Bochiri. Okay, I'm waiting for others. I want to have more than one response. Prevented. Prevented. Yes. Somebody has written. Okay, Dominic, Bochiri. Okay. Where is Nake? What is prevented? I'm waiting for, okay, Clement Bochiri. Correct. Great effort. Where is Nake? I'm waiting for your answer. Nake family. Yes. Waiting for your answer. It's coming in late. Is it network or you don't understand? I'm sure you understand this. You are more than this. Okay. That is correct. Bochiri is correct. Bochiri is correct. Okay. Now we do something. Next one is to prevent. To prevent. What is that in Igbo language? Okay. Nake is here. Bochiri. Correct. To prevent is what in Igbo? How do we write it? To prevent. Hello, Dr. Zaza. Dr. Zaza, welcome to Igbo Language live class, free live class. Dr. Zaza, welcome to class. No. That's how we welcome people in Igbo language. We say, no, doctor. Okay, we're dealing with Igbo verb K. We toss Igbo verb around and use it to deepen our knowledge of that word. Okay, I'm okay, doctor. Welcome to class. Okay, the word is to prevent. How do we write it in Igbo language? Somebody has written Igbochi. Chikeze wrote Igbochi. Clement wrote Igbochi. Clement is on fire today. Oh. Clement is on fire today. And they are correct. Igbochi. That is to prevent. Igbochi. Perfect. Please, as you join the class, hit the like button. That is our rule here. Hit the share button to share out this live session. We'll move on to the next one. And the next one is preventing. Is preventing. Oh, Sherry Mango, you are here today. That's great. Welcome to class. Very long time I've not seen you in live class, Sherry Mango. But good you are here today. Now we're talking about is preventing. How do we write that in Igbo language? Is preventing. Okay, is preventing. Is preventing. How do we write that in Igbo language? Na egbochi, that's what Chikeze wrote. Any other option? Is preventing. Na egbochi. Any other option? Dominic, na egbochi. Nake, na egbochi. That's great. Please, once we get the response and correct, about 2 or 3 or 4 of you get it, we'll move on. Others should copy from them so that we can cover more. Okay? Na egbochi is correct. That is preventing is correct. Na egbochi is preventing is correct. Now we move on. Will prevent. What is that? A little bit, I tossed this a little bit around so that we don't just program it in our head and say this is that. So I move it around now. Not this in the same order. Okay? Will prevent. Will prevent. What is it? Okay, somebody has responded. I'm waiting for others. Ga Ebochi, that's Dominic. Great. Chike's here first. Nake, where are you? Ga Ebochi. Sherry Mango, you are Ebochi is not correct. Check it well. Sherry Mango. Yeah, you are Ebochi is not correct. Correct it yourself. Check out what other people have written. Dominic, you are Ebochi too is not correct. Dominic, check your spelling for Ebochi. I think it's typographical error because you have written it correctly before. So I guess it's a typographical error. But do the correction now, Dominic. Ga Ebochi. Look at your Ebochi there. Cherry Mango, do your correction. Ga Ebochi, the way you wrote it is not correct. Okay, great. You've done your correction. That's fine. Dominic, too, do your correction. Very important. All right. Now, let's go to go prevent. Go prevent. Go prevent or go and prevent. How do we write that in Igbo language? Go and prevent or go prevent. How do we write that in Igbo language? Yeah, let's do that. How do we write go and prevent or go prevent? How do we write that? Somebody has responded. Yes. How about other people? Dominic? Yeah, I know, Dominic. I know it's typo. I know you know that. I'm very sure of that. Okay, Sherry Mango. Sherry Mango is prepared for this class, so she's not joking at all. She's firing seriously. Okay, Clement. Ga na buchie. No, you are adding something else. Okay, you are trying to interpret go and prevent. Oh yeah, that's not how it is written in Igbo. It is ga buchie. It's okay for that. Ga buchie. So we have correct answers now. Only that Nake has not come in with his answer. Okay, he has come. Ga Ebochi. No, Nake, you failed it. You failed it. It's not Ga Ebochi. Ga Ebochi you wrote is will prevent. What we said is go prevent. Go prevent or go and prevent. The answer is Ga Bochie. And many people have got it right. Chikezie got it. Gabochie, Cherry Mango got it. And who else got it? Dominic got it. So only Nake that failed it among the old students. Okay? So Nake, you get some flogging if you are not careful. Let's go to the opposite of this is don't prevent. Don't prevent. How is it written in Igbo language? Drop it now. Don't prevent or don't hinder. How do we write that in Igbo? The direct opposite. Don't prevent or don't hinder. How do we write that in Igbo language? Don't hinder or don't prevent. Who, sorry, there's a little distraction. Who has shot first? Uh, okay, okay. Clement, you're still answering the old question. Okay, Chikeze has written Ebochila as don't prevent. I wait for other people's response. Let them come in. Some are delayed by network. Some are thinking about it. The word is don't prevent or don't hinder. Don't prevent or don't hinder. I want to get an answer. Egbochikwala. Okay, Dominic say Egbochikwala. Okay. Okay, I got two responses now. Where are the rest? Okay. Gabochie, go prevent. Good. Nake, you've done your correction for the old one, but we have moved on from that. We're now doing the opposite. Don't prevent. Nake. So give me your own supply your own response to that. Don't prevent. Don't prevent. Egbochi, egbochi. Okay, that's what Clement wrote. Egbochi. Good effort. Good effort. Good effort. But let's see what others come up with. Don't prevent. Don't prevent. Don't prevent. The opposite of prevent or hinder. What is that? Who has responded? We have Chikezie, Dominic, Clement. Okay, Nake is in here now. Ebochila, correct. So let's look at the responses. Okay, don't prevent, correct. Okay, let's look at the responses. Cherry Mango is also here. Ebochi, ebochi. Okay, ebochi, ebochi. Okay, okay. Ebochi is like the past tense of that. Did not prevent is ebochi. I need to address that. Did not prevent is ebochi. That is the past tense of that instruction. But the first, the direct instruction in the present form is ebochila or ebochikwala. Just like Dominic wrote it, is also correct. Ebochikwala is also correct. Okay, egbochila or egbochikwala is also correct. But when you are reporting, when you are reporting it in a past tense, that's when Sherry Mango's answer is correct. Egbochi, ogbochi ya, he did not prevent it. Okay, ogbochi ya, bochi ya, is reporting in the past tense. But when it's a direct instruction, is egbochi. Okay, that is the right way it is written. But when you are reporting the past tense, you can say ogbochi ya, he did not prevent it. Okay, that is where Sherry Mango's response comes handy and is apt in that aspect. I hope I'm making sense here. Okay, up till now, some of you have not hit the like button. Some of you that joined this class and you are enjoying this class. If you are enjoying this class, you owe us to hit the like button to show we are doing well, to show you are learning, to appreciate and support us. Hit the like button. That way, YouTube can send this video or live session to more people. Also hit the like, the share button so that it can go out to more people. Your own contacts is important. Thank you for doing that. Let's move on. I don't know if you people understand what I explained in respect of Ebochi and Ebochila. Is my explanation understood? Is it clear as to when to use Ebochila? Is an instruction, not to prevent. But Obochi is an instruction, is a statement reporting what has happened already, past tense. It did not prevent. That is Bochi. Okay. She can just say yes. So I'm good to go. Let's move. Now we move to make our sentences as fast as we can, beginning with Bochie prevents. There were Dr. Blahi, not in a class. Okay? Those of you that have not hit the like button, I will fight you today. Oh. Me and you go fight. Oh. I get me here. Oh. So now we move on to, and if you are here, you've not subscribed to our channel, do that now. Let's do our sentence. Bochie, which is prevent. I'm going to speak in Igbo and see so that it can be a little bit, let's see how you can, I challenge you with the writing, the typing, okay? Or I still go with English, you type in Igbo. Okay, prevent them from taking it. Prevent them from taking it. I hope this sentence is not too long. Prevent them from taking it. I'm thinking it's too long, but let's try it. Prevent them from taking it. Or prevent them. I maintain that so that we don't hinder those who are already typing. Prevent them from taking it. Write that in Igbo language. Just write as you understand. We do the correction. You don't bother about that. Prevent them from taking it. Write that in Igbo language. In case you are just seeing us or joining, this is free live Igbo class. We come up every Saturday by 2 p.m. Nigerian time, 1300 GMT. From any part of the world, you can join this free class to exercise yourself, to learn more in Igbo language, to deepen your knowledge of the language, challenge yourself and measure your level of progress and understanding in Igbo language. So you're welcome. Join us and let's talk Igbo language live. Okay? We are making a sentence. Prevent them from taking it. What do we have? Bochie ha iwere ya, that what Chikeze wrote. Who else is writing? Sherry Mango. Bochie ha iko ya. I say from taking it. Okay? Talking to Sherry Mango now. Bochie ha nweta ya. I didn't say nweta ya. From taking it. Okay? Talking to Nake now. Okay, bochie ha nweta ya. No, not very perfect. I need more trials. But Chikezie has gotten it perfectly well. Bochie ha iwere ya. That is more perfect. Chikezie's response is more perfect. Gbochie ha iwere ya. Prevent them from taking it. Gbochie ha iwere. To take it. Were ya. Take it. Were ya. Iwere ya. To take it. Okay, so that's better. Gbochie ha. Okay, Dominic, a little bit error there. Is iwere ya. Iwere. E in Igbo is I, not E in English. Okay, so that's a little bit error in Dominic Ekezie's sentence. Correct that. Dr. Bly say, am I? Okay, Dr. Bly, copy from Chikezie McDonald. Copy that. That is a perfect sentence. Gbochie ha iwere ya. Let everybody copy from Chikezie McDonald, the class captain. Make your corrections with that. While we move on to the next sentence, which is to prevent. To prevent. They tried to prevent us. They tried. I can also say hinder us. That's the same thing. They tried to hinder us. Hey, Leibi, you are welcome to class. Okay, Leibi, what is that? Your second name? I forgot your second name. Leibi. To pronounce that name used to be difficult somehow. You are welcome to class for a long time. Okay, and you made a very perfect Igbo sentence. Gbochie iwere ya. Oh, that's great. That's great. That's great. Remind me of your name again. Leibi what? I'm trying to remember that your second name. Sunshine, I'm talking to you. Okay, Barbara. Yeah. That's great. Barbara. I hope I got the pronunciation right. Barbara. I hope I got it right. Because before I used to mess it up. Did I get it now? Barbara. Did I get the pronunciation? Sunshine. I'm waiting for your response. It's Barbara. Did I get it? The pronunciation. Ha barere Igbo. Somebody's responding. I want to be sure, Barbara, I got your name pronounced correctly. Okay. They tried to hinder us or prevent us. What is the sentence in Igbo? Ha barere Igbo. Let me say. Okay. Nake wrote, ha balere Igbo. Wow, great. Okay, I got it right. Yay! I can speak your language very well now. I got your name very well, Barbara. Okay, thank you for coming back to class. For a long time I missed you. Or you went to UAE, you promised to bring something for your teacher. You disappeared from there. I didn't see you again. You didn't bring my gift to me, Barbara. I'm still waiting. You are owing me. I don't think I forgot. All right, let's go on. So let me see the responses. Ha balere. Okay, Igbo. Correct. We can also say ha barambo. Igbo is also correct. Ha barambo. Igbo or ha balere. Igbo. Can somebody write that the way I said it? Ha barambo. Igbo. Can you write that? So that options. Ha barambo. Igbo or balere Igbo. Yes, Chikezie, can you help me to do that? The second version of the sentence, ha barambo Igbo. Yes, help me do that. While we move to the next sentence now. Okay, which is the past tense. Okay, which is the past tense of prevent, which is gbochiri. They prevented the children. They prevented the children from going out. They prevented the children from going out. Write that in Igbo language. Ha gbara mbọ igbochi anyị. Correct. That is the second version. Please, if you want to copy that, look at what Chikezie wrote. They tried to prevent us. Yes. Now the next sentence, prevented. They prevented the children from going out. Ngwa, let's do that. Shoot it now. Shoot that now. They prevented the children from going out. What is that in Igbo language? Write that now in the chat. Drop it now. Ha gbochiri ụmụaka ahụ ịpụ ezi. Okay. Ha gbara mbọ igbochi anyị. Great. Wow. Barbara, you have improved so much when you are Igbo. It appears you were reading the books. Were you reading the books while you are away, or you've been listening or watching the live sessions after we are finished? You don't seem to sound as somebody who have been off the lessons. You are doing very well. Have you been watching the previous sessions, or you've been reading our ebooks? Tell me your secret. I'm talking to Sunshine now. Tell me your secret, Barbara. You are doing very well. What is your secret? Waiting to hear that too. I'm waiting to hear that too. Okay. Okay. Now, don't forget that the sentence we are considering is that they prevented the children from going out. We should write that in Igbo language. Only one person has responded. What are the rest doing? They prevented the children from going out. Yes, do that now. Drop it in Igbo language. Let's see how far you can go with that. Then we'll do the correction if you didn't get it. Ha gbochiri ụmụaka ịpụ. Okay? They prevented the children from going out. Okay? Okay? That is Nake. Ha gbochiri ụmụaka ịpụ. That's great. I love that option. That's a different perspective entirely. Chikezie wrote ịpụ ezi. Nake wrote ịpụ, and they stopped there. And I'm going to respond to both of them accordingly. Any other option? Any other option? Any other option? Waiting for more options. Where is Emehe? Where is my brother Dominic? I hope you are staying in the class. Okay, I have to tell the truth. The Igbo keyboard is working very well. I bring the word up. Okay. The Igbo keyboard is working very well. I bring the word up. Are you using the Igbo keyboard from your phone or from computer? Because I think I taught you people how to install it to your phone and your computer too. Barbara, which one are you using? Sunshine. Your phone? Keyboard in your phone, right? Is that? Okay. Ha gbochiri ụmụaka ịga ezi. Ịga ezi. Okay. That's another option. And I love that option. Ha gbochiri ụmụaka ịga ezi. Okay. That's another option. But we now have three options. Let's look at them. Number one, that is the one from Chikezie, class captain. Ha gbochiri ụmụaka ahụ, the children. Okay. Ha gbochiri ụmụaka ahụ, the children. You can use that to ụmụaka ahụ. You can also leave it as ụmụaka, just as it is, just like Nnake wrote. Ha gbochiri ụmụaka. Okay. It could be the children, ụmụaka ahụ. Ụmụaka can stop at ụmụaka is also correct. Okay. But ụmụaka ahụ ịpụ ezi. I said from going out. Chikezie wrote ịpụ ezi. Nnake wrote ịpụ. Which one is more perfect and more apt? Ịpụ is more apt because I said from going out. I didn't mention the place they are going out to. Whether they are going outside the compound or anywhere, or going out of the room or to another room, but also by denotation, it also shows that it is going outside that will prevent them. So Chikezie is also right by saying ịpụ ezi from going out. It's assumed that they are inside the house and the parents prevented them from going outside. Because what Chikezie wrote, ịpụ ezi means going outside, even though I didn't mention outside. That's why I said Nnake own is more appropriate to my sentence. Ha gbochiri ụmụaka ịpụ from going out. I didn't say outside, okay? But all the same, both are correct. Okay, Sunshine from my phone, that's great. Nnake. Okay, I got a new phone, great. I got a new phone. That's it. I know you have a secret. You went to UAE, you bought new phone. You didn't remember your teacher. You promised me you are going to do something when you come back. I'm still waiting for you. Okay, move on. I'm joking anyway. We'll move on, but I'm serious. So I'm not only joking though, because it's a promise. Promise is a debt. Now we move on. We move on to we prevent ga egbochi. Okay, and the sentence is we will prevent the problem. We will prevent the problem. Write that in Igbo language. We will prevent the problem. Write in Igbo language. What is that? We will prevent the problem. Okay? Yes, let's do that now. We will prevent the problem. Write that in Igbo language. Shoot, 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 shoot. Waiting for you now to shoot. We will prevent the problem. Shoot that in Igbo language. We will prevent the problem. Write that in Igbo language now. Ngwa, ọsịsọ ọsịsọ. Anyị ga-egbochi nsogbu ahụ. That is what Chikezie wrote. I wait for the rest to respond. I wait for the rest to respond. Why I'm waiting for the rest? If you are in this class and you have not hit the like button, you've not hit the share button, you've not subscribed to our channel, you've not hit the notification bell, you are not our friend. I must confess, you are not my friend. You are not encouraging us. But if you have done that, God bless you. If you have not done that, God bless you too, because I know you are going to do that now. Okay? So do that now so that the blessing will get to you. Yes. Let's see what you wrote. Abdullah Doctor wrote, Ani egbochiri nsogbu. Okay. Chikezie wrote, Ani ga-egbochi nsogbu ahụ. Okay. Dr. Abdullah, you are trying very well. Oh. Clement wrote, Ani ga-egbochi na nsogbu. Okay. Okay. There's one thing I'm going to correct with Clement Emehe. When we say nsogbu, okay, you are putting na again. No, it's not necessary again. Okay, Dr. Blah is doing correction. Anyị ga-egbochiri nsogbu. Okay, nsogbu doesn't have dot under the O. It's O, nsogbu. It's not nso. If it has dot under O, it becomes nsogbu. So it's nsogbu, no dot under the O. Okay. Yes. Let's mark. Let's see what we've got. Nake has not written anything. Dominic, I'm not sure he's still in the class. I don't know what happened. Is he still here? Dominic is not responding. Okay, Dominic is not responding again. Or he's not understanding what I said. Okay, Dominic is here. Anyị ga-egbochi nsogbu. Okay. I said the problem. The problem. There's something there. The problem. Anyị egbochi na nsogbu. Okay, that is sunshine. Good effort. Nake. Anyị ga-egbochi nsogbu ahụ. Great. Okay, let me see how many people that got it. Chikezie wrote, Anyị ga-egbochi nsogbu ahụ. Perfect. Perfect. Dr. wrote, Anyị ga-egbochi is not igbochi. Egbochi. Dr. wrote, igbochiri. No, it's egbochi. Okay, nsogbu ahụ. Clement wrote, Anyị ga-egbochi na nsogbu. No, anyị ga-egbochi nsogbu ahụ. That is a word. That is a sentence. Sunshine. Anyị egbochi na nsogbu. Not very perfect. Anyị ga-egbochi. You didn't put ga-egbochi. Will prevent is ga-egbochi. Will prevent. Okay. Dominic, anyị ga-egbochi nsogbu. You didn't put nsogbu ahụ. The problem. The problem. If it is nsogbu, it's just problem. But the problem. Nsogbu ahụ. Okay, Nake, Anyị ga-egbochi nsogbu ahụ. Perfect. So two people got it perfectly well. Chikezie and Nake. Okay. Okay. Dominic has done his correction. Anyị ga-egbochi nsogbu ahụ. Perfect. So we move on to is preventing. Is preventing. He is preventing us from coming in. He is preventing us from coming in. He is preventing us from coming in. Write that in Igbo language. He is preventing us from coming in. Write that in Igbo language. I hope it's not too long. I hope it's not too long. He is preventing us from coming in. Write that in Igbo language. Okay? Write that in Igbo language. For those of you who find it difficult to cope with these lengthy sentences and the speed with which we are moving, please take note. We have reduced the video for these lessons. We have reduced this lesson to video, and we've uploaded one into our homepage. Go there, you will see Igbo Game Part 1. That is the series of these lessons. We've done a video for that contains clear sentences with color code for word meaning and everything. So go there and watch it again properly, so you can see the sentences clearly marked out and explained properly with color code for meaning of each word. Go and watch it in our homepage. We're going to upload another one next week. It's going to come in batches like that, part 1, part 2, and going on to cover most of the things we do. Because of those who are new, who might not cope with our speed in this live class, they go back there and watch and see the sentences clearly written. Okay, so you can do that. It's very important for you as a new student, so you don't get discouraged, right? So we move on now. Anyị ga-egbochi, where are we? Ọ na-egbochi anyị bata. Okay, he is preventing us from coming in. That's the sentence. He is preventing us from coming in, right? In Igbo. Let's see what we've got. Ọ na-egbochi anyị ịbata. That's Chikezie. Dominic. Ọ na-egbochi anyị ịbata. That's the two responses we've gotten so far. I wait for the rest. Nake, where are you? Who else is responding? Sherry Mango, where are you? Who else? Dominic, Sunshine, where are you? Dr. Bly, where are you? Clement Emehe, where are you? I'm waiting for your responses. Okay, Sunshine has dropped in. Unable any but ooh, that's great. Sunshine, that's great. Happy for you. You got this one perfectly well. Unable but I hope you are not copying from what other people have written already. Sunshine. If you are doing that, you are cheating. Oh, make sure you are writing your own thoughts. It's better you don't get it right so you can get corrected than copying what other people have written already. I just observe. I'm just saying that. I'm not saying you are doing that. I say, I hope you are not doing that. Sunshine. Don't get me wrong. If you are not doing that, congratulations. But if you are doing that, stop doing that. Write your own thoughts the way you hear me say it. Put it down the way you hear me say it. That is going to measure your comprehension of the Igbo sentence, your ability to convert it to written text. So this is, your psychomotor training and brain training, and then comprehension training all in one. So do that if you are not doing that. Clement wrote, "Ọ na-egbochi anyị ga-abịa ime." Okay, good effort. Good effort. Good effort. But let me see the ones that are perfect. Donald Chikeze wrote, "Ọ na-egbochi anyị ịbata." This is okay. Dominic also wrote that. "Ọ na-egbochi anyị ịbata." Correct. Sunshine wrote, "Ọ na-egbochi anyị ịbata." They are all correct. Clement, you are drawing it too long. Ọ na-egbochi anyị ga-abịa n'ime. No. You can say "Ọ na-egbochi anyị ịbata n'ime" if you want to say mention inside. Talking to Clement now. If you want to mention inside, you say "Ọ na-egbochi anyị ịbata n'ime." And in the case of n'ime, you just N, comma on top, apostrophe on top, then ime. That is n'ime. Preposition always go like that. You don't write na in full. You don't write na in full. Okay? Ọ na-egbochi anyị ga-abịa n'ime. So you don't write na if you just write N, comma on top, then ime. That is preposition writing in Igbo. Okay? That is, you go on to go and prevent or go prevent them. that the sentence is, go prevent the flood, or go stop the flood. Let me not take it too long. Go stop the flood, or go and stop the flood. Flood, I mean here, is the flow of heavy water. Flood. Okay? Water flowing with strength. Go and prevent the flood. That's what I mean. Okay, Clement, that is a perfect correction. You are listening very well. That is a perfect correction to your sentence. Perfect. It's preventing us from coming inside. All right. Please check if you have not hit the like button for this video or this live session. Check if you have not done that. Please do that. It's important to us. Check if you have not hit the share button. Do that. It's important to us. All right. The sentence is, go and prevent the flood. Okay? Go and prevent, or go and stop or prevent the flood. Now let's have it written. Let's have it written in Igbo language. Yes, waiting for you to do that now. Yeah? Okay? Okay? Yeah, Nake. Yeah, just going back to that, that's okay. But we've moved on already. We've done another sentence now. Go and prevent the flood. That's where we are now. So let's do that quickly. Let's do that quickly. Let's do that quickly. Go and prevent the flood. Okay. Gabuchie ijumiri. Wow, Dominic, that's great. That's great. That's great effort from Dominic. Yes. Waiting for other options. Nake. Gabuchie ide mmiri. Okay. Another option. Sunshine. Ọ na-egbochi anyị ga-abịa n'ime. Okay. You are trying to. Okay. Right. Your own thought now. That means, okay, that's great. I love that. That means you listen to what I say. You are trying your own thought pattern. Let's know the level you are, and let's know where to help you. Okay, it is ibata n'ime. The ibata you wrote before, just put n'ime there. N'ime is N, comma on top, then ime, I-M-E. Okay, we are saying, go prevent the flood. That's where we are now. Flood, a flow of heavy water, heavy rain, heavy water. Okay, ga gbochie nnukwu mmiri. That's what Clement wrote. Nnakero ga gbochie idei mmiri. Dominic wrote ga gbochie iju mmiri. Right. I love all these options. They are interesting. The class is really, going on fine. Chikeze wrote ga gbochie ide mmiri ahụ. Okay, some people wrote ide mmiri, some wrote iju mmiri. We'll see the one that is correct. Nnakero ga gbochie ide mmiri ahụ. All right. I'm going to, the contest now is it iju mmiri or ide mmiri? My brother and sisters, the correct one in this sense, the flood, is ide mmiri. Or iju mmiri, sorry, is iju mmiri. Is iju mmiri, that is a flood. It's not ide. Okay? It's iju mmiri. That is the correct version. That is the correct version. A heavy flood is iju mmiri. It's not ide mmiri. It's iju mmiri. So Dominic is the one that has this. Gabochie iju mmiri. Dominic has it. Okay? Iju mmiri is iju mmiri, heavy flood. Dominic has this. So let's take note of that. We go to the last one in this version, which is don't prevent. Don't prevent. Don't prevent them from playing. Don't prevent them from playing. Don't prevent them from playing. Yes, yeah, Dominic, your question. Ọ na-egbochi anyị ịbata. Ọ na-egbochi anyị ịbata n'ime. Ha niile bụ eziokwu. They are all okay. The only difference is that this other person is emphasizing the particular place is preventing them from coming. Say "N'ime," from coming inside. Now, I didn't say inside. I stopped at "Ana-egbochi anyị." They are preventing us from coming in. Okay, coming in. If I say coming in, it's ibata n'ime. But if you stop at ibata, it's correct. If you put ibata n'ime, coming inside, okay, it's like saying coming in and coming inside. These are the two. Coming in, ibata. Coming inside, ibata n'ime. Both of them are the same thing. So either of the two is correct. Okay? Now we are in the last sentence for this verb, which is don't prevent them from playing. That is the sentence we are dealing with now. Now let me have them. Don't prevent them from playing. Okay, Chikezie wrote something, Nake wrote something. Nake, look at your igu. Igu. Look at the spelling again. I hope it's not a typographical error. Igu. So, Nake, look at your sentence, your spelling of igu, and be sure that is what we mean to write. Let it not be that it's a typographical error. Igu. Look at it again. Okay, Dominic, this is the sentence we're dealing with now. Don't prevent them from playing. Yeah, Sunshine, where are you? Dr. Blahi, where are you? Yeah, so Nake, you have done the correction. That's it. I want to be sure it's an error. Okay, don't prevent them from playing. Don't prevent them from playing. Yeah. Don't prevent them from playing. I'm waiting for the rest to drop their responses. Some of you have not hit the like button for this live session. That is not fair. If you have not done that, you are not fair to your teacher. Okay? You have not shared the live session, you are not fair to your teacher. Right? We go to, okay, let me mark this one before we go to the second word. Okay, who else is coming in? I had only, okay, egbochikwala ha igwu egwu, that's for Dominic. Nake wrote, egbochila ha igwu egwu, any other option? Okay, Chigezi has written, egbochila ha igwu egwu, okay, I think your answers are correct. You either use egbochila or egbochikwala. Both of them are correct. Egbochila seems to be even the short form of egbochikwala. So both are correct, either egbochila or egbochikwala. Ha, igwu egwu. Don't prevent them from playing. You are both correct. We go to word number 2. The word is basa. 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 Let's drop the word. Basa. Basa. Yes. Okay, egbochila ha igwu egwu. Sunshine, that's fine. That's great. You tried. We are now in the second word, second verb for today, and the verb is basa. 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 Let me have it. Let me have the word. Okay, someone has written any other option? Any other option? Waiting for you. Drop your option. Drop your option. Drop your option. Basa. Basa. Yes, I'm waiting for you. The word is basa. So let me have you type it in. Okay. 2 people have written. What are the rest waiting for? Basa. Okay. Sunshine has written. Great. Dominic has written. Chikeze has written. Basa. That's wonderful. That's wonderful. Clement, basa, correct? Nake, where are you? Basa. Basa. Yes. Any other person coming in? Basa. Okay, Dominic, take a shower. Okay, you are guessing the meaning, but I don't think it's correct. I don't think it's correct. Okay, let's do the meaning now. Let's see. Give me your options. Somebody has written, take a shower. Let me have your own option. The meaning of the word, basa, before we break it. Yeah, let me have your option. What is the meaning of the word, basa? Dominic has written, take a shower. What is your own interpretation of the word, basa, in Igbo language? What is the meaning in Igbo language? The word, basa. Yes, I'm waiting for you. Basa, yes. Waiting for you. Tell me the Igbo meaning. The meaning of the Igbo word, basa. What is holding you down? Is it network? Sometimes I know you are typing. Sometimes I know network hold you down. You send it, it's not yet delivered. But do that quick so that we can move on. We have 30 minutes left to round up the class. So let's be sure we are able to cover this word fully before we round up the lesson. Yes, expand. Somebody wrote spread. Okay, dismiss from gathering. Okay, different options. When I heard the auto, okay, oh, where is Nake and the rest? I've got two responses: expand, take a shower, spread, dismiss from gathering. Not be small matter. Any other option? Any other option? Nake, where are you? Okay, wrong. Nake, I didn't say Bao, so I say Basa. Where did you get your wrong from? I don't know where you got it to. I didn't know where you get your wrong from. There's nothing like wrong here. Okay, let me see those who got the meaning of the word Basa correctly. Expand is correct in its own sense. If we want to use it, basa, expand, or spread out is correct. Spread, expand, both are correct, depending on how you want to use it. Spread, expand is okay. Okay, the spelling of the word is correct now. The spelling is gotten already. That is Gbasaa. Dr. Blahi. Sunshine got the spelling, Clement got the spelling, Chikeze got the spelling. So the only person that didn't get it well is Dominic. He spread the word into two. He divided the word into two, but it's not two words, it's one word, basa. Otherwise, everybody that wrote that word got the spelling correct. Are you okay, Dr. Blind? Got my response? So we are now looking at the meaning. It's either expand or spread. That's what we're actually talking about here now. But it can also mean disperse, as Chikeze wrote, or dismiss a gathering. Basa school, dismiss the students, okay? Or the meeting, end the meeting, dismiss the meeting. It can also mean Basa, okay? But for the purpose of this particular word we're considering here now, we are looking at spread or expand. But precisely spread is what we are considering now, and we're using for this sentence or sentences that will follow is spread. Okay, that's fine. I hope I'm clear enough. So let's break the word into its component parts. Basa, spread. Number one, to spread is what? To spread. Quickly, once one person get the answer, I go to the next one because I want to cover this in 30 minutes. To spread is what? To spread is what in Igbo language? The word to spread. To spread. To spread is what in Igbo language? To spread. Write it in Igbo language. To spread. The first person to get it, I move on to the next one. Ibasa. That is chikezie. Ibasa. I know some people's own are still on their way, but that is correct. When your own come, we consider it. But that is perfect. Okay, Dr. Blahi wrote e basa. No, it's I with dot under e basa. Okay. Sunshine, I said to spread. To spread is e basa. You put I in front of it with dot under. Clement got it right, e basa. Chikeze got it right, e basa. I with dot under. Okay. So we move on. Past tense, spread, spread. Past tense of spread is also spread. I hope I'm right. I'm not very good in English. Is that true? The past tense of spread is also spread. There's nothing like spreaded. It's spread. I hope I'm right. So, what is the past tense of spread in Igbo language? English only the same, spread, spread. But Igbo, past tense of spread is different. Let me have it. What is the past tense of spread in Igbo language? Let me have it now. Yes, waiting for you. Drop it now. Clement wrote Basara. Great. Woo. Clement is leading in this one. Chikezie Basara. Correct. Any other person coming in? I think in that case, this network is delaying him from coming in quick. I know he knows this. Oh, Oluebube Basara. Oluebube no na class here. This is the first time you are coming to our live class. I've not heard your name before. Am I right? Oluebube. Obeziokwu no nke a bụ mbụ ị na-eso anyị na klaasị Igbo anyị. Ọ bụ ụbọchị taa bụ mbụ ị na-eso anyị. Oluebube Nneka, biko zaa m. Nke a bụ ụbọchị mbụ ị na-eso anyị na klaasị anyị. Oluebube o zaa m ugbu a. Okay, Oluebube zaa m. Basara. Okay, I go on while I wait for Oluebube's response. Basara, that is spread, past tense of spread. Abu eziokwu. Ndewo ezinne. Okay, nne ka ọ nwoke ka ọ nwaanyị ka ị bụ ka m ghara ịkpọjọ aha gị. Oluebube ị bụ nwoke ka ị bụ nwaanyị? Let me know that you understand Igbo small. Ị bụ nwoke ka ị bụ nwaanyị? Oluebube. Ngwazam. Okay, you even tried at least for the first time. I asked you another question. I asked Ibunwoke Kibunwani. Okay, Basara. Okay, I know these people's responses are coming late. Network is disturbing them. Basara is correct. There's one. Okay, Wani. Hey, I don't understand people. Akoram. That's great. Welcome to class. Have you hit the like button for this live session? Check your like button on that or on top. Hit it. That is the first rule when you come to our class. What kind of hazard? What kind of hazard? Biko nwoke ọ na-hazard? Ọ sị na ọ bụ nwaanyị. Ọ sị na ọ bụ nwoke. Ọ sị na ọ bụ nwaanyị. Okay. Kimberly Nagagoti. I need help with Igbo. Of course, we are here to help you. Kimberly, what kind of help do you want? Please send me email. Kimberly, listen to me now. Send me email to theibotutor@gmail.com. The Igbo Tutor is the name of my channel. No space. theibotutor@gmail.com. Send me mail after the class. Tell me the kind of help you want. Is that okay? Is that okay? Kimberly, did you hear what I said? I said you send me email to theibotutor@gmail.com after the class and tell me exactly what you want. I will be able to help you. There are different ways we are helping people. We have live class with people, private classes. We have other channels through which you help people. But even at the beginning too, you can also get our ebooks. There are rich ebooks that can help every new beginner in Igbo language. Why am I recommending it? I always recommend it to our new commerce. I'm also talking to you. The ebooks we have are unique in the sense that they have both text, pictures, and audio, downloadable audios. So when you buy our ebooks, you download the audio, which means the teacher is always with you. You are listening to me every time, reading the book for you in the clear Igbo tone you can understand. And when you download the audio, you no longer need internet access to listen to it. You download the book and the audio. You can listen offline. You can listen while you are driving, while you are doing laundry, while you are cooking. You can listen. So it is very helpful to every new beginner to buy our ebooks. We have rudiments from alphabet to number to two-letter words to daily conversation. Everything that you need to know as a beginner are covered in our books. How do you get the books? You get the books by going to the description box of this particular live session or the previous ones uploaded in our channel. You open the description box, you see a link to our bookshop. Hit it, and you go straight to our bookshop and select the books you want. Download them after payment. You can also go to our main channel description and then hit it. You open it, you see a link to our ebook shop. Open it and buy as many as you want. With $25 to $30, you can buy up to 10 or 11 or 12 of our books. They are so cheap. Between $1 to $3, you can buy any of them. Text, pictures, audio, all in one for the price of almost nothing, $1 to $3. So get them today, and they will help you a lot to build a solid foundation. Then if you need further help, like I said, you send us email and make your request. Kimberly, do you think you understand what I explained and how to get our ebooks to start learning immediately? Did you get me, Kimberly? Did you get my explanation concerning the book? Please confirm before we move on. Kimberly? Kimberly, I wait for your response while we move on. Okay, Chikezie, always afụbeghị m nwoke na-aza Nneka, mana nwoke na nwaanyị na-aza aha ọbụla n'Igbo. Okay, dịkwa mma o. Na akwa eziokwu ahụbeghị m. I'm good at learning language. Kimberly has not responded to my last explanation on how to get our ebooks. Nevertheless, we'll move on while we expect his response to come in. Okay, we talked about the past tense of what? Basa, we said it's basara. Okay, and that is correct, basara. We go to will spread. Okay, asim kam jonu maka onayara whatever obeziokwu okwere iko meme na nwoke na-azazi Nneka ọ ga-abụzi nne mmadụ na ọ dịkwa egwu. Okay, let's go to will spread. What is the Igbo word for will spread? Yes, will spread. Kimberly has not answered my question. I hope he has not left the class. Okay? Don't be small matter, Chikezie. All right, let's write will spread. Will spread. Kimberly, if you are still in the class, please respond to my question, my explanations, and my question as to how to get our ebooks. Also, those ebooks are going to help you if you want to expand your knowledge of Igbo language. I'm also talking to you. Okay? We spread. Ga amasa. Here, let me have more responses coming in. Will spread. Yes. Will spread. Ga basa. Clement Emehe has written. I need more responses coming in. Will spread. Yes. Waiting for more people to join, to drop their responses. Will spread. Will spread. Yes. Okay. Ga-abasa is actually correct. Ga-abasa is correct. Maybe I need to go to the next one. Is spreading because of our time. Is spreading. Okay. Ga-abasa is right. Is spreading is what? Is spreading. Present continuous. Is spreading. Is spreading. Okay. Yes. Is spreading is what? is spreading. What is that? Na basa. Clement Emehe, you are there. Na basa. Clement is on fire today. Oh. Olebube. Na basa. I like that. Okay, that's correct. It's spreading is na basa. Correct. Let me see. Go spread is what? Go spread or go and spread. What is that? Go spread or go and spread. What is that in Igbo language? Yes, drop that now. Go spread or go and spread. What is that in Igbo language? Yeah, Namasa, we pass that. We are in go spread or go and spread. Yes, what is that in Igbo language? Drop it now. Ga abasa. Ga abasa. Clement wrote that. I'm talking to Ga na basa. I didn't say go and be spreading. I say go spread or go and spread. Okay. Olebube wrote Ga basa. That's great. That's better. But your basa, please put it together. Don't separate it. Don't separate it. Olebube. Ga basa. You are almost there, but don't separate it. Put it together. Olebube. Ga basa. That is it. Ga, basa, go, spread. Okay, sunshine. No, not ga abasa. Ga basa is will spread. Ga, basa. When you are talking about command of go do this, go do that, the secret is that when you put ga, you pick the original word. Don't alter it. Pick the original word and drop it there. Any original verb we use when it comes to go do this, go do that. When you write ga, bring the original word, drop it there, finish. Ga basa, that is it. Ga, Dominic is still writing ga basa. No. I said go spread. Ga basa, ga plus the original verb. That is it. Chikeze got it. Ga basa. Who else got it? Olebube. You have corrected yourself now. Okay. Who else got it? Gabasa. Dominic didn't get it. Gabasa. Clement Emehe got it. Great. So what about don't spread? Don't spread. Direct opposite to that word. What is it? Don't spread. Don't spread. Yeah, Dominic, you've done your correction. That's fine. Don't spread. What is the word? Don't spread. Don't spread. Yeah, I want to have that. Don't spread. If you have not hit the like button, you are not our friend. If you have not subscribed to our channel as a new student here, you are not showing support to us and solidarity. You are not showing appreciation. So subscribe to our channel today. And also, remember, this is a free live Igbo class. But it doesn't mean that it is free. It doesn't cost money. It costs money to be on air. It costs money to do research. It costs money to buy data. It costs money to do so many things. So it is free because some people are supporting us financially. So you can also join to support us financially. You can even do that right now as we are doing this live session by buying us super chat, super sticker right now. That your chat bar where you are typing by the right, you see $sign there. Hit the $sign by your right, and it will ask you for option as to how much you want to give us, either in sticker or chat. It will give you options. You just choose the one you want and just pay. Right now, your chat will be a super chat immediately, or you give us super sticker. And if you are watching this from my channel right now, you can hit the thank button with $sign, that is super thank. And then you will be given options as to what you want to use to thank us, and we'll appreciate that. And God will bless you for doing that. Thank you. We'll move on. Abasala. Let me see how many people got it. Don't spread. Abasala. Clement wrote Abasala. Dominic Abasakwala. Okay, stay correct. Nake Abasala. Stay correct. All your responses are okay. Abasala. Quickly, we'll run through our sentences now. Time is ticking away. Spread. Spread the clothes. I'm going to make sure short sentences because of our time. Spread the clothes. That is the first sentence. Drop that in Igbo language. Spread the clothes. Clothes, 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 clothes. Spread the clothes. Oh yeah, drop that in Igbo language. Spread the clothes. Short sentences for this because of our time. Spread the clothes. Okay? Sunshine, you got it right. Abasala. But we are making sentences already. We've dropped the first sentence. Somebody wrote, Basa akwa ahụ. Wow. Clement is doing very well now. Very, very well. Great. Any other option? Spread the clothes. Write that in Igbo language. Basa akwa ahụ. Dominic is in. Good. Who else is dropping? I got two answers already. Clement, Basa Aqua, Dominic, Basa Aqua. Any other one coming in? Sometimes it's network that is delaying you. I know you are typing. I know you are sending. Sunshine, Basa Aqua. Sunshine, you are does not have dot under. Why? You should have dot under it now. Sunshine, correct that. Okay, your response are correct. Spread the cloth. Basa Aqua, correct. Basa akwa, spread the clothes. Correct. Okay, let's move on. Achorom ibasa akwam. Oh my goodness, I gave you in Igbo. Okay, write it. You can interpret it in English. Achorom ibasa akwam. Let's see how much you can understand the sound when I say it, when I read it. Write what I say in Igbo. Achorom ibasa akwam. Achorom ibasa akwam. Write it the way I said it in Igbo. And let's determine the meaning immediately. Ngwa ngwa ngwa. Achorom ibasa akwam. Write it in Igbo the way I said it. Right. Okay. Achorom ibasa akwam. Clement has written. Chikeze has written. Any other option? Waiting for other. Clement has written. I didn't say you should write the meaning. I say write it in Igbo the way I said it. Write it first, I didn't say interpret it. I say write what I said. Clement. Chikeze has written that. Dominic wrote, Achorom ibasa akwam. Great. Any other option? Achorom ibasa akwam. Write it the way I said it in Igbo language. Achorom ibasa akwam. Okay, I got options already. Wherever you are, this is free Igbo live class. Join us, learn Igbo on the go, free of charge. Every Saturday, 2 p.m. Nigeria time, 1300 GMT. Get ready to learn with us. And if you are seeing us now, or you are viewing us, or you are in this class, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to share this video, this live session. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified for our next live class. Do that now. Don't forget to also give us appreciation, super chat, super thank, super sticker. We appreciate all of them. Thank you for doing that. Right. Achọrọ m ịgbasa akwa m nake. I want to spread my clothes. Great. These your responses are perfect. Achọrọ m ịgbasa akwa m. All of you are on fire. You are all on fire today. No one is giving space at all. I love that. My students are picking up seriously. We move on. He spread his shoe outside. He spread his shoe outside. Past tense now, don't forget. He spread his shoe outside. Let me know those of you who know the name of shoe in Igbo language. Shoe. He spread his shoes outside. Let me know those who know the Igbo name for shoes. Okay, that's the test here. He spread his shoes outside. Write that in Igbo language. Test is to know. Spread, past tense of spread, how to write it. Another test is the name of shoe, how to write it. Another test is outside, how to write it. Let's have it now. Write it in Igbo language. Ngwa, let's flow. Let's go. I've got one response now. I got one response. Yeah, I wait for others. I will not read it. I wait for others to come in. I wait for others to come in. He spread his shoes outside. Ngwa, they are not to see, but also. Clement has written, Ngwa, ale ndị ọzọ na-eche. Gịnị ka ndị ọzọ na-eche? What are the rest waiting for? Right. Nake, where are you? Where is Dominic? Clement has written, Chikeze has written. Where is Sunshine? He spread his shoes outside. Okay, I want to start marking now. Drop your answer quickly. Let me mark now. Drop your response. He spread his shoes outside. Where are you? Where are you? He spread his shoes outside, right? In Igbo language. Got two responses. Dominic is here. Okay, let's mark. Nake. While we are marking, I hope your own will come in. Chikeze wrote, Ọ gbasara akpụkpọ ụkwụ ya n'ezi. Perfect. Ọ gbasara akpụkpọ ụkwụ is shoes or footwear generally. Akpụkpọ ụkwụ, compound word. Okay. Then n'ezi is outside. N'ezi, outside. Ọ gbasara is spread. This is a perfect sentence. Let me see what Clement wrote. Ọ gbasara akpụ ụkwụ ezi. Your akpụkpọ ụkwụ is not complete word. It's akpụkpọ ụkwụ, not akpụ ụkwụ. Okay? It's not complete. Then ezi is not ezi, it's n'ezi. It's preposition at the position. N'ezi. Dominic wrote, Ọ gbasara akpụkpọ ụkwụ ya n'ezi. Perfect sentence. Nake wrote, Ọ gbasara akpụkpọ ụkwụ ya n'ezi. Perfect sentence. Sunshine wrote, Ọ gbasara akpụ ụkwụ ezi. No. Akpụkpọ ụkwụ ya, his shoe. N'ezi, outside. That is the correct sentence. Clement, Ọ gbasara akpụkpọ ụkwụ ya n'ezi. Corrected version. Great. Okay. That's good. Now let's move on to the fourth one. We spread. I will spread my legs. I will spread my legs. I will spread my legs. Ngwa, there. Odemanake, I've seen you. I know you are here. I've seen you. I will spread my legs. Ngwa, there n'Igbo. There n'asụsụ Igbo ọsịsọ. There n'asụsụ Igbo. Write it in Igbo language. I will spread my legs. Onye ga-ebu ụzọ dere anyị ya? Who will write it first for us? Who is taking the first position? Chikezie is in, class captain. It's one hit. Aga m agbasa ụkwụ m. I will spread my legs. Okay, let me see what Dominic wrote. Agam gabasa. Not perfect, but good try. Any other person? I will spread my legs. Dominic, come back again. I know you can do better than this. I will spread my legs. Legs. That I used to walk. Legs. Yes. Nake, where are you now? Sunshine, where are you? Clement, where are you? I will spread my legs. Okay, agama basa okum. Yeah, I know Dominic can do better than that. Yeah. Okay. Two responses gotten, two responses correct. Clement has come in. Aga m agbasa ụkwụ m. Perfect. Correct. Correct. Aga m agbasa ụkwụ m. I will spread my legs. Correct. Nnake, you are here. Aga m agbasa ụkwụ m. Correct. All your responses are correct. Is spreading. Is spreading. Is spreading. He is spreading the seeds. He is spreading the seeds. Like you sow seeds, but this time around, spreading it. He is spreading the seeds. He is spreading the seeds. Yeah, they are not suitable. He is spreading the seeds. One, they are not suitable. Oh yeah, Sunshine, you got it right, even though it's coming in late. All right. He is spreading the seeds. Like we sow seed, but this time around, spreading it. Wadea Nasusibo. Write it in Igbo language. Well, I'll say so. They also so. Dominic, on a basso oche, I didn't say sit. I said seed. I even mentioned like you are sowing seed to make you understand what I'm saying. A seed of a plant. Okay, Dominic. Ọ na-agbasa mkpụrụ osisi. Clement Emeghe, good effort. Ọ na-agbasa mkpụrụ osisi. Okay. This one wrote mkpụrụ akụkụ. Chikezie wrote mkpụrụ akụkụ. Clement wrote mkpụrụ osisi. One, we shall see. We shall see. Dominic, correct yourself. I'm waiting for your correction. And then, Nake, where are you? You are coming late. Your response is coming late. Is it network? Now, I need to mark the two that are here, that are correct or near correct. Ona basa, oche is out of it. I've said that. I didn't say chair. So we have two responses that are close to what we want. Clement Emehe and Chikezie. Ona basa mpuru osisi. Chikezie ona basa mpuru akoko. Which one is correct? Mpuru osisi is when osisi is a tree. So if you say mpuru osisi is a seed of a tree. Mpuru akoko is seed of plants. On a basa mpuru akoko, seed of plants. Okay, mpuru akoko will be better even. But if you stop at mpuru, because I didn't mention a particular seed, it's even more accurate. On a basa mpuru, that's where you are supposed to even stop, because I didn't mention the type of seed. On a basa mpuru, but choosing to add mpuru osisi, seed of a tree, mpuru akoko, seed of plant, whichever, they are all correct. On a basa mpuru akoko, okay. On a basa mpuru, that's a perfect, more perfect, Dominic. On a basa mpuru, I just said mpuru, seed. I didn't mention the type of seed. So I think Dominic own is even the most appropriate, but all are reasonable. Now, go spread. Ga basa mkpụrụ ọka. Ga basa mkpụrụ ọka. We come back to mkpụrụ again, but we are now precise. Ga basa mkpụrụ ọka. Write it the way I said it in Igbo language. Then let's see whether you know how to spell all those things. Then we'll say the meaning. Ga basa mkpụrụ ọka. Let me know those of you who know the meaning of ọka. Ga basa mkpụrụ ọka. Ga basa mkpụrụ ọka. Okay, Clement, great effort. Great effort. Okay, Clement, you are fire today. Clement got it perfectly written. Ga basa mkpụrụ ọka. Okay, Dominic, ga basa mkpụrụ ọka. Perfect. Ga basa mkpụrụ ọka. Perfect. Yeah, these writings are perfect. These students today are on fire. They no give space at all. It's a real competition today. I have active participants, sharp students today in class. Okay. Why I know the response of others will be on their way coming. What is the meaning of this sentence? Yes. What is the meaning in English? Shoot it. Gaba sam moroka. What is the English meaning of this sentence? Ga basa go spread corn seed. It's not seams. I think you want to write seeds. Seeds. So I know that is a typographical error. Go spread corn seed. Seed. I know that what you wanted to write, not seams. You wrote seams. But I think it is seeds you want to write. Yeah, go spread corn seed. That's perfect. That is perfect. That is exactly what it is. Now, we go to the opposite of basa and basala. Let's have our sentence now. Don't spread. What do we want to spread? What do we know? Don't spread the what? Don't spread the margarine on the bread. Don't spread the margarine or butter, whatever you call it, on the bread. Let's test our understanding of bread and some other things. Okay, sunshine, you do well, even though you're coming late. Okay, we're talking about the opposite. Don't spread margarine or butter on the bread. The bread you eat, don't spread it. Don't spread it. You like this oil or something, don't do it. It's not good for your health. Okay? Mm-hmm. Okay. Dominic has written something. Abasakwala. Okay. Butter na chicha. Okay. Good one. Good one. More options. Okay. 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 Any other one coming in? Any other one coming in? Okay, Dominic, again, Ambasakwala butter, na chicha. Okay, you now Igbonize butter. That what you have done exactly is Igbonizing the English word. If you don't know the Igbo meaning or Igbo name, you Igbonize the English word. You spell it with Igbo, Igbo writing, and that is what Dominic has done. It's allowed. It's called code borrowing and code switching. You can always borrow what you don't have. Okay, but let's see whether somebody can have a better option of that butter for us. Abasala, abuba, na chicha. Great. This is wonderful. Clement called butter abuba. Why Dominic called it butter? Immonize it. Where is Clement? Help me today. What is butter or margarine in Igbo language? Oh yeah, who will bury the cat? Who will bury the cat? What is butter or margarine in Igbo language? What is it called? Yeah, what is it called? Butter or margarine. Somebody has Igbonized it as butter in Igbo, but I think it has a name, a better name in Igbo language. Yes. Yes. I'm still waiting. No one is saying anything again. Where is the Chikezie? Where is the Nake? After you tell me he's in the class, where is he? I'm not seeing his response. Yes. Don't hold us down. This is where we're ending our class today. Aboba or Olom butter. Clement is still firing. I don't know where Chikeze has gone to. I don't know where Nake is. These guys are missing in action. Where are they? Don't spread butter on the bread. Don't spread margarine on the bread. I'm waiting for you. Abasa abuba na chicha. Okay. Sunshine still says abuba. I will never accept that is abuba. Okay, let me help you. Butter or margarine is simply called manu achicha. Manu achicha, like bread oil. Manu achicha. Ya bụ etesala mmanụ achịcha n'elu achịcha ọ agbasala mmanụ achịcha na achịcha ahụ ọ n'elu achịcha. Okay? Agbasala ọ etesala mmanụ achịcha n'elu achịcha. Don't spread margarine on the bread. Agbasala or etesala, you are rubbing it. There is to rub. Okay, but we are using the word here, agbasala. Mmanụ achịcha n'elu ya, or n'elu achịcha. I hope that is okay. I hope that is understood. I hope that is good enough. And this has been a nice class today. Nobody is giving us super sticker. Nobody is giving us super chat. Nobody is giving us any appreciation. But I appreciate all of you. Whether you give us super chat or not, I appreciate you. Some people promised to buy our books last week, but they didn't come up. I don't know what happened. Those of you who are here, you've not bought our books, I encourage you to buy them. They are very, very helpful. Get the books today. Hit the, our home channel, hit the description box of our YouTube channel. You'll see a link to our, bookshop. You open it and buy these books. They are so important and so helpful. They come with audio, text, and pictures, downloadable audio that you can download and listen to it offline, anytime, anywhere. For every beginner and learner, you need to have these books. They are so cheap and so helpful. Many people have bought the books and they're giving testimony. So if you have not bought and you are in this class, that is one way of improving your learning and supporting our channel. So get the books today. I don't know how many people that are going to buy today after the class. Who are going to buy the books after the class today? Even this live session, when it's uploaded after this class, the description box or previous ones, you see a link to the bookshop. Who are buying after the class today? Who want to buy a book? Who is patronizing us? Who is giving us super chat and super sticker today? We thank you as you do that. We want to, appreciate your time, your commitment to this, your sacrifice and readiness to learn Igbo language. I joined at the end and it was my first time here. I'm looking forward to buying an ebook. Okay, that is Luna. Luna, do you get the description of where to get the books? How to get the books? Did you get my explanation? Talking to Luna, did you hear me on how to access the bookshop? Please respond. Respond. I need to get the response from you. Luna, did you get my explanation on how to buy the books? Luna, I'm waiting for your response before I end this class. I'm waiting for your response. Luna, confirm that you got my explanation on how to get the ebook. Yes, I had it when you explained it very well. Thank you very much. Though you came late, we always start the class by 2 p.m. Nigerian time or 1300 GMT. That's always our time. And it's always every Saturday. So block that off in your calendar, schedule your time properly to join us. Anytime we post a notification for this live session, we come to our homepage, you will always see it. Subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell so you can always get notified for our next live class. We also post it in our community tab. You go to my homepage, hit community tab, you will see the post to our live class. You also see the post that is where we advertise all the books we have. You also see it in our community tab. You hit the link there. Those books advertised there also contain the link to our bookshop. Use any of these options, you get what we want. We always post adverts for our live session in our community page, and then you always follow us to get all these things done. So do it today, and you'll be glad you did. Thanks for your time. See you again next Saturday. Go to our homepage, we have a lot of videos there. Watch them, they are unique. The way we present our lessons are unique and special. You can't find it any other place. Go there, watch our previous videos. Even this particular session we're doing now, Igbo verb game, we also have video series on this particular video verb game we're doing now. We already uploaded one video verb game. We'll upload next one next week. Go to our homepage and watch them up, and you'll be glad you did. Thanks for your time. See you next week. Kemesia.